The top 5 reasons why you're snoring. Number 1, nasal issues. Chronic nasal congestion or a deviated septum can initiate snoring. Next is being overweight. Carrying extra weight can put pressure on the airway, leading to that notorious snoring sound. Third is alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol can relax the muscles of the throat and decrease your body's natural defense against airway obstruction. Lying on your back is also a reason that can lead to snoring. Finally, sleep apnea. This often requires medical intervention. It's crucial to address snoring, and the solution might be easier than you think. Enter the Vital Sleep mouthpiece, designed to help you reduce snoring and improve your sleep. Order your Vital Sleep mouthpiece today at www.vitalsleep.com and experience the difference restful sleep provides.